Hi, this is an Eat It Drink It how-to video all about the Gausium Phantas and Phantas Pro cleaning machine. We're going to talk you through all of the maintenance steps that you need to know how to do to keep your machine working correctly. Hi, so this video is going to tell you how to change the HEPA filter on your Gausium Phantas Pro and Standard Phantas. All you need to do is open the top cover, and this box here with the yellow lid at the very front is where the HEPA filter is located. To open it, simply push in on the clip and lift the lid, and this little ribbon tab here will allow you to lift the HEPA filter out. There is a foam filter on top of the HEPA filter. This can be washed more frequently. We recommend every 2 weeks. If there's obviously any debris that you can see on the filter, that needs to be washed away. Don't, however, wash the HEPA filter itself. This is not waterproof and should not be submerged or introduced any kind of liquid whatsoever. This is a consumable throwaway unit. We recommend that this is changed every 6 months to ensure the machine performs correctly. Once you have your new HEPA filter, simply place it into the slot. Make sure the foam is reinstalled on the top. Close down the lid until it clicks. And that completes the change of the HEPA filter.